You can go to the club and stay out all night long, but you ain't no diva until you know Diva Dog. There is a spiritual connection as well as a physical connection. There is an emotional connection where animals and human beings have created exactly what the universe wants, which is a bonding that saves each other's lives, which is a balance back in the universe that was always designed from the beginning, and we don't discover it until that catalyst happens. I couldn't believe how enthusiastic, how loving, and how grateful this animal was. And I think that's what makes her story and her legacy so important, because she touches you and moves you, and then you become transformed.
I've never known that a person or an animal or whatever could be so seemingly unaffected by a major change in their life. She just had no fear, no shame. She was so determined. I think that's a great testament to the will of not just people, but of all life. The will of a living creature, of a living soul to go on.
Diva, 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 dog!